In this video, you'll learn how to create a login page on bubble.io in just a few minutes so your users can securely sign in and access your app with ease. First, go to bubble.io and sign in to your account. Open your app inside the editor. Then create a new page by clicking the page drop-down at the top and selecting Add a New Page. Name it Login to keep things organized. Next, design your login page. Drag and drop input elements for email and password, add a login button, and include a link for users who want to sign up or reset their password. Style everything to match your brand. Now, make sure your password input is set correctly. Select the password field, open the right side panel, and choose password as the content format. This hides the text and keeps your users' credentials safe and secure. After that, set up the workflow. Click on the Login button, select Start, Edit Workflow, then add the action, Log the user in. Connect it to your email and password inputs so Bubble can authenticate users automatically. Once your login is ready, add a redirect action after a successful login. Send users to their dashboard or homepage and include an error message element in case the login fails, so users always know what's happening. And that's it. Your login page is now live on bubble.io, fully functional, secure, and ready to welcome users into your app.